Got my helper up there doing the shits right now. Good job, buddy. You're doing great.
I'm gonna go up one more.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
If you don't feel comfortable, let me know.
You still recording this?
I am recording this, yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, so curtain came out of tracks, or out of the guides. So what we're doing is we're removing this track here, and then we're going to remove the guide completely and then slide it right back under. Got all the bolts off. It's just held on by one more up there, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, got the door working, got the curtains back in. Massive door. It's all good to go now. Perfect. Perfecto. Curtains back in the tracks, or guides. Beauty. All good to go now. I don't know why I had the phone like that. I could have just held it like this, but who cares?
So many things that I wanna say. You know I like my girls a little bit older. I just wanna use your love tonight. I don't wanna lose your love tonight.
That cable does not look good. Huh. No bueno.
Listen to that nigga, that ain't good advice. If you cooperate, then it's your chance to save your life. Just tell them what they wanna know. You won't pay the price. Someone call it snitching, but for me, I call it make it right. Then fuck that make it right shit. You gotta stick to your biz. You should have thought about this shit before you did what you did. Give a fuck about your family or your bitch or your kids. You either gonna respect the code or you gonna get what you give. Who gives a fuck about the codes? No one follow codes. We both know that jail ain't the place you wanna go. Somebody fucking on your bitch, you tryna call the phone. If I was you, I'd tell them boys everything they wanna know. Okay, let's think about this. Let's
chemicals, you have to go to the elevator,
Elevator.
go down,
And then again you have to come from that
come
side.
here, then another elevator, then go down another elevator.
Yeah, true, that's
Oh
true.
my goodness.
How many of these elevators do you guys have? How many of these elevators do you guys have?
Yeah?
Six, I think?
6 of them?
Six, no,
Wow.
this is
No,
elevator
no,
9. So then
Oh,
what is
So-
the old number?
you at least have 9 of them.
No,
Might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
6.
About 6 of them, okay.
Yeah, I'm
So
correct.
those are a little bit better. This is the oldest one.
It's the oldest
This
one.
is the latest one, you can say that.
This is the oldest because this area
Yeah.
is the primary building of the
Of course.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, shit. Holy crap.